Gurudev,
हाँ, I know.
Gurudev, in the aftermath of the devastating airplane crash, few questions have come from the social media. Gurudev, is there something we could have done to prevent such disasters? How can Heyam Dukkham Anaghatam work here?
Nature has mysterious ways. That's what you just heard Saundara Lahiri. Adi Shankaracharya says, "Oh Mother Divine, you know, your ways are very strange, cannot be comprehended. All I can do is just surrender myself at your feet." Because divine has its own plan. If you keep thinking about disasters, why will not the Mahabharata prevented? रामायण को प्रिवेंट कर सकते थे. रामायण का युद्ध, श्रीलंका का युद्ध क्यों बंद नहीं करवाया श्री राम जी ने? सीता को ऐसे क्यों नहीं उठा के ले आया? इस तरह से कई प्रश्न होते हैं, कई तरह की तुम्हें प्रश्न का कोई अंत नहीं है. यहाँ तक आप छोड़ो, बलराम जी खुद भगवान कृष्ण से सवाल करते युद्ध के बाद, तुमने ऐसा क्यों कर दिया, ये क्यों कर दिया, कर. भगवान कृष्ण जानते हैं, उसमें मुस्कुराते हैं. क्यों? एक अज्ञानता की दृष्टि से देखोगे तो कार्य कारण संबंध, इसी में हम उलझे रहते हैं. ऐसा हुआ, इसका कारण क्या है? अरे इससे ऊपर परम कारण है, वो परमात्मा है, परमेश्वर है. तुम एक्टर्स में ही उलझे रहोगे कि डायरेक्टर की तरफ नजर उठा के देखा ही नहीं. तो डायरेक्टर को देखोगे तो वो आंख मारेंगे तुम्हारे साथ, अरे गो मुझे पता है कब क्या करना है, चुप रहो. तो वैसी बात है ना. दृष्टा बनो, सबके दृष्टा बनो, तभी दुख से बाहर होते हैं. ठीक है. बल जब भी दुखद घटनाएं होती, उसको झेलने के लिए भी अंदर हमारे पास बल चाहिए. वो बल कृपा से ही होती है. वही आदि शंकराचार्य कहते हैं कि जो है तुम्हारे कृपा से कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Gurudev, the uncertainty of life has hit me very strongly again today. With time, this feeling goes away and my awareness of the uncertainty of life. What should we remind ourselves so that we are aware yet not
Oh
bound?
my goodness, you just embrace uncertainty, that's it. Everything is uncertain. I'm glad it hit you today. It should have hit you long back. Have you heard about black holes? Our planet is escaping the black holes and moving around. Our whole solar system is escaping the black holes because so many black holes are there. Any moment, our whole solar system can get sucked into the black hole. Pralay can happen any moment. Got it? Now what is certain now? You talk to a top scientist, he says the theory of uncertainty is everything is uncertain. You are looking at something and you are seeing, but it is not that way it is. Because the observer makes an impact on the object. Subject makes an impact on the object. So your observation can never be true. Do you know about theory of uncertainty? Theory of relativity? Subject-object relationship? Study physics then. either philosophy or physics, you get to the same spot. Got it? Yeah. If you didn't get it, then also good. Then you say, I don't know. Life is a journey from an ugly I don't know to a beautiful I don't know. Got it? Ugly I don't know is what? When you're frustrated, you say, I don't know. Don't ask me. Right? Even you know, when someone asks you when you are stressed, what do you say? I don't know. Where are you going? I don't know. Don't ask me. That indicates how frustrated and angry you are. So from that ugly, I don't know, to a beautiful, I don't know. That's what every scientist would say. Got it? Yeah? What the scientist would say? Wonderment. You can only wonder about everything. All your question answers appears to appease you, put you at rest for some time, but later on it only leads you to more questions. But if you turn the question into wonder, wow, यही अष्टावक्र जनक के भीतर संवाद में होता. जनक बोलते अहो, जनक बोलते ऐसा भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. जैन धर्म में इसको स्यातवाद बोला गया. ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. और कुछ भी हो सकता है माने सब संभावना का क्षेत्र है. उसी को तुम एक नकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण से देखो तो अनसर्टनिटी और कुछ भी अनिश्चित है. You know, either you see it in the positive sense, field of all possibilities, everything is possible, or uncertainty. Uncertainty causes fear in you. All possibilities creates thrill and energy inside of you. Yeah? तब शरणागति तब होती है जब हमारे भीतर इतना आश्चर्यचकित हम हो जाते हैं. जड़ता में नहीं होती शरणागति, आश्चर्यचकित हो जाते हैं. When you are in wonder, then real devotion springs. Yeah? हिंदी में चलो.